Good morning, everybody. My name is Shanna. I am with Travel with Shanna. I am a travel agent and a passionate advocate for more travel. But today, I am here talking about something else that is near and dear to my heart. I want to tell you a little bit about what Epicure is and what Epicure means for our family and how it has really been helping us. So you are probably here because you heard something about Epicure and you went searching on the internet to find out what is this Epicure stuff anyway? What is it going to do for me? That is what you are here to find out. And so um, I wrote an entire blog post about this. I'm going to link it in the comments. So do check that out as well. But here I wanted to give you a little more personal um, take on what Epicure is for us and how it is helping our family. So, to start out with, Epicure is a company. It's a Canadian company that has been around since 1997, and they make easy, healthy meal solutions with real ingredients that are budget friendly. Epicure recipes and meal plans and their time saving cookware help you get healthy meals to the table in 20 minutes for your family. So, for families out there that are super busy, for families that think that they are just too busy to make healthy food at home, this is a game changer, truly. Now, Epicure products are also 100% gluten free and 100% nut free, which for families who have gluten and nut allergies and intolerances, this is huge, right? This is how we got here. Because about a year ago, as I'm filming this, my son, who was 7 at the time, was diagnosed with celiac disease. And for anybody unfamiliar with celiac disease means that he cannot ever eat any gluten, period. So we had to get it completely out of our diet. And I had done pretty well. We had switched over some things. We had switched over our kitchen mostly, but we were still struggling. We were still struggling with trace amounts of gluten in the house. And so Epicure finally helped us get all of the gluten out of the house. And it has helped us transform the way that we cook because they are simple recipes. They are kid-friendly recipes. I am excited because we are going to try out a whole meal plan of Epicure recipes on our trip. Travel is a big part of our lives. And so we are going to try these out as a solution for cooking while we travel. It really is changing every aspect of our lives. And now I don't need to worry about reading every single label of every single thing to make sure that it's going to be safe for my son to eat. Parents of kids with gluten intolerances and peanut allergies and other special food needs know exactly what I'm talking about. It has taken a huge mental weight off of my mind because I know that as long as I am using Epicure products with fresh, healthy ingredients from my store, which is what we should, be eating as a part of a healthy diet anyway, we are going to be 100% okay. And my son is going to be okay and he's not going to get gluten. So that is why, one of the reasons why Epicure products are helping our family and are super important to us. Epicure food is also mostly GMO free. And Epicure's super impressive never ever list shows all of the things that they will not put in any Epicure product. Guys, this makes eating healthy super simple because you don't need to think about it. All of these things on here are things that will never be in Epicure. So you don't need to worry about reading labels. You don't need to worry about knowing I don't know what all of these things are, but I know that if I can't understand what they are, then I probably don't want them in my food, right? So Epicure's Never Ever list um, gives you peace of mind that what you are feeding your family um, is really healthy and really nutritious and is going to be good, nourishing food. So all of this is important for sure. But I've got one more thing. The biggest thing that I am loving about Epicure products is that the recipes are super easy to make. And this makes it fun to get my kids involved in cooking healthy meals. when it's easy, when there's not a lot of steps, when it's simple ingredients, when there's not a ton of ingredients, it makes it less stressful to have the kids in the kitchen. And teaching them about nutrition and teaching them that eating healthy meals can and should be easy is a lesson that they are going to carry with them throughout the rest of their lives. So that might be the most important part for our family, is just passing on a legacy of good nutrition and good food and good eating. So that is how Epicure is helping our family. um, I've got a couple of things for you. Do make sure, I'm going to pop a link into the comments. Do make sure, if this is of interest to you, click on the link so we can connect. And I'm going to send you some more information. If this is something that piqued your interest and you're thinking, yeah, this, I want to know more about this. We need to eat more healthy meals. I'd like to know how to get healthy meals to the table in 20 minutes or less. Before you forget, click onto that link and let's connect so I can get you some more information to help make this happen in your own lives, to help start this transition towards healthier eating. So, thank you so much. Thank you for being here. Um, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care, and I hope you have an awesome day.